you die, please don't ask for revive, okay? If you die, please don't ask for revive.
Why? I got a great
Because
axe.
you want to do a challenge and you die wantedly.
Yeah, the crash pads don't count. Where is Tops? Where is the fighting?
I just killed like 2 people.
Team there, third party them.
41 crash.
Come on. I'm crash padding.
I'm third party them.
Help that way. Come that way.
Knocked him. Got him.
I'm third
just
party
wiping
guy.
Low.
He's there.
Okay, out of match.
I'm coming. I got like 2 kills already.
Got one.
He's above the roof.
Okay, he's one shot.
Oh my
Teammate
god,
is one shot.
Henchman. No, Henchman.
His
Leave me
teammate.
alone.
Pro coach
Leave
is
me
one
alone,
shot.
Henchman.
He's gone for the revive. I need some ammo.
Dude, I am on
Pro coach is one shot. Pro coach is literally one shot.
Yeah.
Oh man. I hit him double 66.
No, I'm just like lost here.
Okay,
Oh
blow
god,
yaar.
no.
Hardy one shot. He's like literally one shot. I literally mean like one bullet.
I'm one bullet too.
Just spray him.
I have no ammo. That's why.
Oh my god, this guy is a freaking great person guy. Help me. I repped you first.
Stop. Get my reboot card and like.
Yeah. I got your reboot, dude. I'm there for you.
Don't take the weapons. Don't take the loot, please.
No, let me get the SMG, okay?
Oh god, Pro coach, I have no SMG.
You guys are capping our weapons. I'm gonna spawn with a great pistol.
Okay, just take it.
And I have no ammo too.
Okay, and
Pro
my
coach,
loot
give me
has
the
to be
SMG.
in rainbow order. So my SMG and shotgun will be at.
Pro coach.
I just have a grey SMG, dude. Just shut up.
No.
Okay.
No, wait. Wait. Take it. It's a green one. Do you have a medkit for me?
I need shotgun shells if you guys have.
What was he doing? Jesus. He came and he picked up a shotgun.
It's your shotgun, by the way.
Yeah.
I got a blue SMG for someone.
Yeah.
I won't take it.
So let's just click shotgun.
Yeah, I need some shotgun shells.
I just have 5.
Bang.
I'll
Stop
take
it.
I'll take the sniper, okay? I'll take the sniper, please.
I took the sniper, sorry.
Please, dude, please.
Dude, come on, you always get
Dude,
the best
I
loot.
already
You
have a
sniper.
scuffed loadout.
Bro, so I just have a green AR.
I don't have any
anything
shields, I don't have any ammo.
Hardy, I have a shield for you. A shield spot.
Yeah, I got
Everything is like so weird. Okay,
There.
a person over there.
Building.
Yeah. Oh, 26 damage.
Got him. He's one shot. Just kill him.
Shake him. My mini. Yeet.
No, oh, I asked for it. Pro coach.
Okay.
Oh god, this guy.
Yeah, take it. See, I'm a good guy.
You only gave me one.
I only have one. Jesus, what is this guy?
He's a good
Okay,
guy.
people over
He
there,
can
people over there. Over there.
Coming.
I have a shield spot for someone.
Yeah.
You can give it to Hardy.
You
Yeah,
drink it.
Hardy, come here. Hardy, come here. Come with me.
Yeah.
Don't drink the big pot without 1 minute.
Yeah, thanks.
Yo, what is Purpose doing? Is he building a sky base?
I'm rushing him. I'm getting shot
That
at.
is
Why,
not
why,
Pro coach, don't
Purpose.
ask for mats then.
I got 2 shield spots.
On me.
Hardy, come take one.
Yeah, I see him.
He's
No,
a
he's
bot,
a bot.
Purpose.
He's a
You can
bot.
Nice.
Okay, he's not a bot.
Okay, goodbye.
What Hardy? What ammo?
Okay, I got a scar.
yeah,
I'll get a
I'm
scar
also
now.
Buster, can you give me a sniper ammo?
Let me check. I only like 6 bullets.
I got a
You're not
mini for
gonna use
someone,
it, right? Anyways.
and I got a blue AR for someone.
Thank you, Buster.
Okay, I will have 2 ARs now because this is the rainbow challenge.
Come on, let's
I want to miss.
What are the henchmen doing right there? Damn, stop it.
I'm not fighting the henchman.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Guys, just without any reason.
Get
Oh, I got a scar. Let's go. Someone can take
Oh.
this. Take this. Take this. Take
Yeah, yeah, please. Please. Oh, he's one shot.
this. Oh no!
Oh my god, I
dude.
hate you guys. I hate you.
What's on this guy? Oh, guys, you guys are like.
Yeah, yeah. Heal me,
Yeah,
heal me.
hit him.
I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't
23
have
on one guy. 23 on one guy.
This guy should be open. This guy should be
He's
open.
here.
He's cracked. He's almost. God damn it!
He's here. He's cracked, he's cracked.
Does anybody have a
Hardy,
medkit?
come back. Hardy. Huh?
Where are they? I can't
Build up,
see
build
them.
up, build up.
Where are they?
Coco, don't build so high. What's wrong with you?
I can't see them.
Oh my god. He's below. He's below. He's below. He's right here.
RPG or somebody RPG.
Yeah, where?
Oh my god.
That guy got a sniper. That guy got a sniper.
Coming, dude. Dude! Got him.
Block. Come back.
Are you kidding me? Come on, cover me. You guys are
Hardy,
so
play high ground. Hardy,
dumb.
play high ground.
He's cracked.
He's healing in the open.
There's a guy behind us. What?
He's probably solo. Hardy, you go for him. He's a bot, dude.
Oh my god,
He was a bot.
he's not a body, he has a good loot.
So, Buster, come on, they're all bots. You got pickaxed.
Wow.
I got
Please.
pickaxe.
It's good. It's okay.
Yeah, Buster did
When you
good.
don't help me.
Top 10 situation over here. Okay, top 15. Okay, sorry for my match.
Wait, what are we guys even doing over here?
And
We are
Ernest
camp-
Pro
we are
Coach
searching
carrying his
for enemies.
trust. Pro Coach here carrying his trusty friends Hardy.
Stop.
Buster and
Should I just throw a crash pad and bounce all of
Yeah,
you?
you know, if the last guy was about let's go for trick shotting, right? That was
Yeah. I got crash pad. Oh yeah, Hardy. Yeah, sorry, I didn't see you. Where are you? That's Hardy.
Okay.
Dude, wanna be please can we trick shot?
So
For God's sake.
bored. Where is this guy?
पूरा वाईफाई पे लैपटॉप ऑफ ना
Where are those
Huh?
guys?
हाँ
Dude, let's take
Take off someone rush.
Okay.
There.
Right.
It's cracked. That guy's cracked.
Top one.
Oh my god, I got
That
killed.
guy was cracked.
That he almost hit me.
Oh no, I have no.
Buster, I have a medkit.
Got him. Oh my god, I have 2 health.
Wait, hold up.
I got medkits.
Just chill.
I got medkits for both of
You got
them.
sniper.
Dude, there's only two guys right
Where is
there.
he?
Oh
Where's
my
the
god,
last
I
one?
got
have
sniper.
grenades.
You got a
He's there.
sniper. That guy got a sniper. He's got a sniper. I'm coming. I got
Help
it.
me out.
On me.
Dude, is that the last guy?
Knocked him. I knocked one guy. On me.
Okay, let's go for trick
On
shotting.
me.
Let's go for trick shotting. I think it's the last
Dude,
guy.
rave me.
Top second
Let's
health.
go. Yeah, coming.
Oh my god,
He's
the
here.
enemy sniper gonna get in my box. You're gonna get in the box.
Yeah, headshot him if you can. He's
Oh
here.
god. I need a healable.
Just kill him from behind. Kill him from behind. You can get. Buster, kill him.
Okay, no trick shotting anymore. Dude.
33 on him. Let's go.
Yeah.
I got him. Let's go. Oh my god, you guys are a bot.
I
am
headshotted
the bot.
him, that-
I'm
I
the bro.
headshotted
I'm
that
the bro.
guy.
Woo.
No, I got him. What do you mean? I got the last kill.
No, I
the-
got him, dude.
the
I
last
got
when
him.
I headshot him in
It
front.
said eliminated. I got him. I got it on clip, dude. I got it on
You
clip. I got it on
eliminated the
clip.
other kid. Oh my